Window World offers a variety of window styles to suit your home's needs. But our most popular of all is the double hung window. Here are a few reasons why. The double hung window offers a classic design with smooth operation. Both the top and bottom sash tilt in so you can clean the exterior of the window with ease. And the versatile look of the window complements both modern and traditional homes alike. So, you know it's going to look great, but what about energy efficiency? Not only do these windows come with options for ENERGY STAR rated glass packages, our double hung windows also have a multi-chambered frame construction for year-round comfort and energy efficiency. Like all Window World products, our double hung windows are made in America and backed by a lifetime warranty. To learn more and to get your free estimate, contact Window World today.